Yeah, hello guys. Um, my name is Melech. Melech Contractors. We also have Melech Applied Chemicals Nigeria Limited. Um, uh, Although we are new to this, even though we've been active since 2012, and we are new to YouTube, as you can see. Although we have we've been making posts for about a few months ago, when some people started demanding that we come online. Most of our clients said we should come online and all that. And yeah, so we decided to at least let us open and have this YouTube channel. Some of you also who contacted us from YouTube, who demanded that we should show our face at least. Some of you want to see us, some of you want to know who we are and all that. So, but that's not bad. Yeah, so but this is Melech Applied Chemicals, and we are into paint making, and we are into building, we are into buying of land, real estate. We buy land, we sell, we build, and we sell. Yeah, so these are things that we do. And there is something I actually really want to talk about today. About the building stuff. There is this thing that have been bothering me because most of the job we are doing lately have been renovations, and 70 to 80% of those renovations happen because of a single mistake that could have been avoided if one has taken caution from the foundation. And this thing is eating a lot of people's houses, that have given most landlords a lot of issue, especially in this island. And this thing is called water dam. Yeah, a lot of them are really, really bad. Most of them are quite very bad, and the owners of these houses are in shackles. A lot of them are in pain, considering how much they've invested in the property, how much their time wasted, and all the resources they put in place, only for them to come out at the end of the day and start having water dams and the wall peeling off as if the building is about collapsing. In most cases, it can lead to the building collapsing, because when the foundation is weak and not strong enough to carry the weight of the house, it's surely going to collapse. So I will suggest, and I will be very glad if both the builders, the house owners, and the contractors look into these things and see how they can solve this problem. It's important you water dam your foundation. Yeah, you waterproof it. It's very important you waterproof it, because this thing, if you didn't waterproof it, you are sure going to have issue at the end of the day, and that I know would not be fair. There is this man we worked for some weeks ago. The house was built about 3 years ago. If you look at the house, the resources that was put in place, you will know, yes, the man actually spent a lot of money, but the foundation was faulty. Like, honestly, it was so messy. The building, there was so much soak, the everywhere was soaked with water. It's not as if it was water coming from the roof. No, it's some water coming from the ground. So, and it soaks the building, and come on, that's a big mess. And whatever we are going to do, or whatever we did, is temporary. It's something that at least it will take between 5 to 7 years before you will do another maintenance. So such building will not be dependent on maintenance all the time. But that could have been avoided. Yeah, people, even when you don't have water dam, a lot of people will still renovate their houses and all that. Yeah, that's cool, but at least avoid the water dam stuff. Avoid the water dam stuff. Make sure before you do your foundation in a waterlogged area, if the place is swampy area, take all the trashes out, scrape all the molds out, and then some fill. When you some fill it, you leave it for a certain period of time to solidify the soil. That will solidify the building and give you a lot of advantage. Although what is, even though you did that, you still have to waterproof your raft or whatever you are doing on the floor there. You need to waterproof it. It's very important, whether it's some field or not. So far you are building in a waterlogged area, you need to waterproof it. It's very important. It's very, very important. And those of you that will just jump into some swamp and start digging or start making doing rafting on top of those dirty waters, you are just doing yourself. Like, seriously, you are doing yourself. Dirty water, in the other hand, is not good for cement. Those waters are weakening the concrete that you are pouring inside. So if you look at it, within a matter of time, everything is going to collapse. So please try as much as possible to avoid anything that will warrant you coming back to spend more money, or even that will end up in regret. Yeah, that's for the foundation. Now back to the painting. Those of you that are interested in painting, manufacturing, we manufacture paint, we paint. We do all kinds of paint, satin, matte, emulsion, stucco, gloss, any kind of designer paint, what do you call it, marble trowel, Swahili, any kind of paint at all that you can think of, you let us know. Yeah, we'll deliver. We'll paint your houses. If you guys have had some, the building was actually built already, we can supply you paint to paint your houses. Then if you are a paint manufacturer, you are sourcing for chemicals, we are also available. You contact us, we'll deliver to your site or to your factory. Anywhere you are, you let us know. If you can't make it, we bring it to you. Yeah. So, and then to those who are interested in paint making, this is specifically for people who are interested in paint making. We are open for class. We take classes where we lecture people on how to manufacture paint from scratch, even though you don't have any idea. We teach you from scratch to becoming a professional paint maker. Yeah, that's what we do. So if you want an online class, we are available for you. You want a physical class, that's okay. You can come up. We also take class on how to paint. It's very important you guys understand that painting is not just rolling on the wall. There's a lot of work that needs to be done. A lot of work have to put in place. You just can't just pick up a roller and then start rolling, and then you think you're a painter. No, you are giving painters, the one who knows how to paint, you are actually giving them a bad name. So if you want to learn how to paint, how to treat the wall, or how to prepare your wall before painting, we're available. The course is also available. We prefer doing that physical. I'm talking about on how to teach you how to paint. Yeah, we prefer doing that teaching physical, because we have to tutor you, show you, do some samples for us, and then we'll show you how to do those things. Yeah, so if you are interested, you let us, send us a DM. We have contact is on most of our videos that we posted about stucco. You go to our pages, you see our contact there. It's not that you want to send us an email, or you send us a message on WhatsApp. Yeah, so that's it for today. And please, we don't take, if you are coming for paint supplies, you are coming for, or whether you're coming to buy chemicals, our address is at Ibejuleki. We are somewhere at Eleko, and we also have another shop at Lakwe. So you let us know which of the office you want to patronize us from. If you're staying far from where we are, we can supply to your site or to your factory. You just let us know where you are, and they will bring to you. Yes, so we take buildings. If you think we are good to build for you, that's fine. We'll have a perfect professional engineers available, professional architects available. and structural engineers, we have them set is a full company. It's not as if we are here to play. No, we are here for business. Yes, that's the way we work. We're a group of people, a group of companies collectively working together in delivering a good service to you, client. So we are here for you. Just let us know whichever way we can work together, and we'll be glad to work with you. Thank you. God bless you. See you some other time. Bye.